Hi, welcome to Spanish class. Today we are going to look at the letter G and what happens when we have the vowels in front of the letter G. As you know, the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Let's look at what happens when the A and the O as well as the U fall before a particular Spanish G letter word. All right, if I give you GATO without knowing the rules of the Spanish letters or the rules that govern the Spanish letters, how would you pronounce GATO? You'd have to guess. But once you know correctly all the pronunciations of the Spanish letters of the alphabet, you will be safe in pronouncing every Spanish word correctly. And that is why I keep emphasizing knowing the pronunciation of the Spanish letters as best as possible, because that is a foundation. All right, so once you have A or U in front of any G letter word, it gives you a hard sound. All right, so as some of us know, this word means cat, C-A-T. I'll just put it underneath. It means cat. But in terms of pronouncing this Spanish word that has an A in front of it, you're going to get the pronunciation gato. Nothing changes. Gato. And if we were supposed to have the word G-E-N-T-E, which a lot of persons know, we usually try to learn the Spanish words with the articles. El gato, la gente. And most of us know that it means people. However, we're looking at the pronunciation based on the rules, the Spanish rules that govern the letters. All right, so instead of, let's focus on O instead. All right, so let's go to O. Let's go to O. That's all right, I'm jumping the gun. All right, so if you have G-O-T-A, gota, that means drop, like a drop in the bucket, a raindrop. That's the drop we're talking about. Gota, gota. If you notice, when the A or the O falls before the G, it gives you a strong sound.